Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be opening up the Petit Vour box, and it's a beauty subscription. It costs $18 a month for the regular box, or $24.99 for the Plus box. The Plus box is guaranteed to have at least $100 plus in products. I just got the smaller beauty box to show you all today. Also, I do have a coupon code that I will be listing down below to save any of you all some money that might be interested in trying this box out. Also, before we get started, I wanted to let everyone know once we reach 30 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. And I want to take a moment to thank everybody who's currently subscribed to my channel for all your love and support. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, this is a vegan, cruelty-free, non-toxic beauty box. And I used the code, which I'm going to put below, to get this box for $13 instead of $18. And this is what it looks like when I first open the box. Be bold and be kind. And this is a little information card they have that comes with inside the box with all the products on there. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay. Osmia Naked Body Oil. I feel like I just got a body oil and something else too. But that is okay. This is a different one. This is worth $20. Price of 11 nourishing oils. This body oil naturally nourishes and heals, making it perfect for all skin types. Applied to clean and wet skin. Let's go ahead and open this and see what it smells like. It has a little hummingbird on the top here. I think that's kind of cute. Okay, and this is the bottle. And I'm going to go ahead and just try some just to see what it smells like. It smells good, but not really like much of anything. So I guess that's better than good than bad and smell like something gross. I like that. It's nice. It's soft. Very soft scent, so it doesn't like mix with a whole bunch of other smells that you're having on. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out here, this is, it's called Tyla Illuminating Toning Mist. And this is said to value at $10. It just has a clean smell to it. Okay, next I'm pulling out Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum. And this is said to value at $6 for this serum. Yeah, it's really on there good. I'm sorry. It is sealed, which is nice. It's definitely water-based, which I like. Feels like a water-based product. Okay, about this one. Okay, proven to reduce free radicals. This lightweight serum feeds your skin with vitamins and antioxidants from organic botanical juices and plant oils. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from K. Voss. Shine on Stick, and it's valued at $28. Okay, and the first one I'm pulling out here, it looks like Metallic Sunrise is the shade. And then the next one I have here is Sparkling Rose. And I'm not sure if this was a mistake or not, because I'm pretty sure this box is only supposed to have 4 products in it, and there is 5. They gave me 2 of these, which I am not complaining about at all. I'm excited to try both these. These are both of the colors that she makes in Sparkling Rose and Metallic Sunrise. Let's go ahead and open these and get a quick swatch to see what these look like. Okay. This one right here is the Metallic Sunrise. And this one down here is the Sparkling Rose. And I think they're pretty. They are lighter, but they are to be used for a highlight. I did put those on several times just so you all could see the colors. And it does blend very nicely in the skin. I just blended both of those together. I don't know if you can really see anything on there. A light glow, perhaps. Wow, so that was everything in the box. I only paid $13 for this box because I used the coupon code that I'm going to list down below. And I think that's a great deal. Let's go ahead and add up the total value of this box so we can get a better idea of how much money we're saving here. Okay, this box is valued at $92, and I only spent $13.50 on this box, which I think is a killer deal. And even if you spend the $18 on the box, I still think it's a really good deal. And you did get 2 makeup products and some skincare. So that's neat that you got a little bit of both in here. I like this box. I'm ready for another one, but I am going to put my next month on hold just because I do have an extreme amount of boxes and things that I need to unbox on this channel, and I'm a little bit behind. So if y'all see me pushing out some videos, it's because I have a lot of catching up to do. And that's everything I had for you today. Before I sign off, though, I did want to let everyone know that I will be trying these products out and the products in the BoxyCharm Premium that I opened last week. And that will be my review products for the week. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin.